Tonight, we're going to do a gentle nervous system reset. This is going to help you feel less anxious, calmer, more centered, and it just might change your life. Let's take a deep breath in and out. Follow along and start tapping where I tap. Okay. So right here, this point, we're going to be releasing grief, sadness, heartbreak, disappointment. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feeling my chest relaxing already. That's a good sign that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. We want the exhale longer than the inhale. Good. Up here, we're releasing looping thoughts, anxiety, overthinking, all the good stuff. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. We're going to go to the inner eyebrow. Good. Here we're releasing frustration and anger. Good. Feeling my jaw relaxing, the back of my neck relaxing. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. The more you do this, you might feel there's a meridian line that's right here that will start to drain. And that's a sign that you're also getting into the parasympathetic nervous system. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. The interesting thing about that is when we're nervous, sometimes we go like this, which is actually draining that meridian line. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So right here, we are releasing frustration and anger as well. Good. Deep breath in and out. Good. Under the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. This is where we're releasing the need to control things. Helps us let go. Go with the flow. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go under the nose. This point helps connect the mind and the body again energetically. Get them on the same page. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. When we get overwhelmed or anxious, this can disconnect and we can feel stuck. So tapping right here is great. Let's go underneath the lip. Take a deep breath in and out. This is where we're releasing the negative self-talk, where we said yes when we meant to say no. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Sometimes, especially this week, the holiday week, we tend to say things or not say things that we want to say. And it can get trapped in our jaw, give us some neck ache. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So tapping will help to release some of that energy and information. Let's go underneath the collarbone. So right here, there's 2 points. You can either tap with a C, like going this with your hands, or 2 hands. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is where we're tapping out some fear. Good. So we're going to tap on the center of the chest. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. This is where we offer compassion and love and forgiveness. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You might feel your feet tingling, the energy traveling down the backs of your legs. These are all signs that you're getting into the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, so we're going to go to the outside of the body. On the right side, we're releasing anger, and on the left, we're releasing worry. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. And then we're back to the grief point. That was 1 round of tapping. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Go to the top of the head. Take a deep breath in and out. And we're going to go to the inner eyebrow. Good. I just felt my hips relaxing, my tailbone untucking. Check in with where you're feeling your releases. Are you crying? Are you yawning? Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go to the outside of the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Awesome. Underneath the eye. And there's a rest and digest. You might be hiccuping. Your stomach might start growling. This technique is great if your stomach is feeling upset, especially tapping underneath the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's go under the nose. Good. Again, I'm feeling my jaw relaxing. Good. Let's go under the lip. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Let's go under the collarbone. Good. Let's go to the center of the chest. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. And the outside of the body. Good. And that was 2 rounds. Now we're going to do the hand. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. You can tap for as long as you want. The most I've ever tapped was 2 hours, but it's up to you how long you spend. Good. And the more frequently we do this, we're causing ourselves to get into the parasympathetic nervous system, and that's going to start to build more resilience. The more we are in the parasympathetic nervous system, the more our body is in a state where it can rest and digest and heal, which will give us more resilience. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Inner eyebrow. Good. Outside the eye. Good. Under the eye. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. So when we tap, we are lowering our stress, we're lowering our cortisol levels, and we are helping our body to feel more at peace. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Under the lip. Good. While you're doing the tapping, you might be getting some messages about things you've been trying to figure out. And that's all really good. That's your intuition speaking to you. And when we get into the parasympathetic nervous system, it becomes possible to hear our intuition. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Center of the chest. Good. And the outside of the body. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Place your hands over your heart. Hold it there for 20 seconds. This is like giving yourself a hug. And we need 8 hugs a day to thrive. And this helps release oxytocin, lower cortisol levels, and helps give your body a nice warm hug from yourself. All right, I love you. Keep tapping. You're doing great.